I am Matt Jordan. I am an insurance agent with Virginia Farm Bureau here in Southwest Virginia. My daily routine consists of calling customers in the morning, seeing if we've had any claims overnight, seeing if we need to service any policies. The biggest thing I try to do is generate new business and service existing customers, so that's the biggest part of my day. I also make a part to reach out to the community, try to talk to different people. Communication is a huge part of what I do, so you really have to be comfortable talking to a crowd, talking to a person you don't know, because that goes into everything I do every day. As far as other positions related to my career, it runs the gamut. Everybody's important in what they do, from the janitor all the way to the CEO. You've got clerical people, you've got the salespeople, you've got human resources, marketing. Everybody makes the engine go, and if somebody's not doing their job, then it affects everybody else. So there are plenty of career opportunities in that field. As far as education goes, it's not required to have a college degree, but it definitely helps. I know that I've had some success just because I had some ties to my college. Of course, I also have my master's, so that's opened up some other avenues for me for my advancement. Basically, if you wanted to stay kind of where you were, your education may not be a big thing. A high school degree might be fine. But if you want to advance and make more money, which is the point of working, I guess, you need to have those advanced degrees. Also, you have continuing education programs that you have to be a part of to satisfy your license, because your license renews every 2 years, so you have to keep on top of new things in the industry. The rewards and challenges of my career, probably the challenges I would say would be time management. I am extremely busy, so trying to find time for family and trying to find time for work is a big thing there. Also, you have to have some thick skin, because not everybody's always going to be happy with your company or with you. You can't be afraid to be told no. As far as rewards, as an insurance agent, it may seem kind of boring, but I love my job. I tell people that I talk for a living because really it's what I do. I love to know that we've helped somebody, that if somebody's in an accident or had a claim, that we're able to help take care of them and get them back to where they were before. Average salary for my job in Southwest Virginia, it can run the gamut. If you are just starting out, probably anywhere between 35 and 40,000. But there are different salary models, so I'm in like a commission plus salary type model, so it can run the gamut. Really, when I was hired, I was told you can make as much as you want, just work hard. So I would say anywhere between 35 and 150,000. As far as the career outlook goes, I think that Southwest Virginia, of course, every little town you go to has 3 or 4 insurance agencies. Why? Well, because people need to protect their assets, so their cars, their houses, their businesses, their lives. There are certain changes coming down the line with self-driving cars and things like that, but people are always going to have to have insurance. So, for instance, when I left my last job before I got into insurance, when I went on LinkedIn and all these different sites, insurance jobs were everywhere. So it's important to have that education that I talked about earlier, because a lot of those places and companies were looking for people that had those degrees to fill those jobs. Again, I'm Matt Jordan. I'm an insurance agent, and I encourage you to pursue your career in Southwest Virginia.